you again. So recently we've talked about reusable bags and straws, and today I want to add to the on-the-go no plastic kit a set of sustainable and reusable utensils. Now the first hard thing about this is remembering to bring them with you. Mine live in my purse permanently, so I'm never without them. The second hardest thing is to remember to refuse utensils whenever you get food while you're out and about. Trust me, after some time, this will get easier too. So don't give up or stop trying. Every time you succeed is a win for Mother Nature. Now, for utensils, we've got several options for reusable sets based on your available resources and what would work best for you. Let's start with plastic utensils. I know, don't look at me funny. I do have a point here, I promise. We all have them in a drawer in our kitchen somewhere. So if you don't have a reusable set yet, use and reuse these until you can get a set or two. Continue to reuse the plastic ones for entertainment purposes or something. Why, I have a bunch of them. They're great for barbecues, and this is a 10-year collection. But use them until they can no longer be used and then toss into the forever trash pile. Unfortunately, there isn't another option for these, but at least we managed to get as much use out of the plastic ones as possible, and hopefully you won't be purchasing more. Next, we have either stainless steel or titanium utensils, and there are a couple of options here. Stainless steel on the go isn't ideal since they weigh a bit, but if you're okay with that, there are some really nice stainless steel sets out there, or you can go to your local secondhand store and purchase a normal set of silverware for almost nothing to carry with you, wash, and reuse. As with anything else, stainless steel, when it's reached its use capacity, please recycle properly. Titanium, on the other hand, is much lighter and easier to carry with you. Just ask my 80-year-old mother who doesn't want to carry anything heavy anymore. I get it. And if you have a number of people in your family that need to have one, titanium could be a great choice. They even have sporks that make it fun and useful for you. Again, just wash, reuse, and then recycle properly. Bamboo utensil sets are my personal go-to. Bamboo takes the least amount of resources to grow and manufacture. It's an easily sustainable resource since it grows so fast. And if you drop it, leave it, or accidentally throw it away, Mother Nature won't be too upset. She can handle the recycling on her own, as long as there's not too many at a time. Our friends at OceanCore General Store have some beautiful sets with organic cotton cases. So if you're in Hawaii, lower your carbon footprint by buying local. Even if you don't live here, check them out. Enter OceanCore in the discount box for 10% off your order. Finally, there's a carrying case to talk about for a sec. The utensils will be rolling around somewhere, and you'll want something to carry them in. I mean, how often do you clean out and sanitize your purse or backpack? I like the organic cotton version, of course. Fewer resources used in its creation, and it will go back to Mother Nature when it's no longer usable. But this is also a good spot for recycled plastic cases, like this one. As much as I don't like plastic, we have to do something with all the stuff we've already made. And this is a good way to reuse the material for a long time and give it a longer use life. I've had mine for at least 5 years now. All right, everyone. That's it for today. If you have a few extra moments, get your zero waste journey started with our friends at OceanCore General Store. Enter OceanCore in the discount box for a 10% discount. And please check out Nara Treasures on Etsy and support OceanCore by way of purchase. Thanks for diving in. Please share what you've learned here forward, and we'll see you next time.